Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete contact on Imo. First of all, you can open the Imo application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply select the contact that you want to delete. I can select this contact, so I can tap on this, and here you can now tap on the name at the top left corner of the screen, and after this you can see the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and after tapping on it you can see the option delete contact. Tap on it, and here you confirm this to delete the contact to tapping on yes, and it is the way you can delete contact on Imo. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.